So let's see the ingredients for today's Goan Samarachi curry powder. You can make this at home. I'm going to be using 6 cloves or lavangs, 1 inch of cinnamon or dalchini, 2 bay leaves, 1 mace or javitri, now I'm going to be using a small piece of nutmeg or zaifar like this, and I'm going to grate it till I get about 1/4 of a teaspoon of this zaifar or grated nutmeg powder, 4 dried red chilies, 2 star anise, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, about 16 peppercorns, which we call miri, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or sauf, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, 1 tablespoon of raw rice. You can use any rice of what you regularly use in your cooking, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania. Now we're going to dry roast all of this in a large pan like this in the sequence that I'm showing you. So you're going to start with the coriander seeds, just lightly roast them. Next, I'm going to add the cumin seeds or the jeera. The sauf or the fennel seeds. Now I'm going to add the raw rice. Next, I'm going to add the fenugreek seeds and the peppercorns. Now keep your flame on low to medium and keep lightly, just gently stirring all the spices. Now I'm going to add the bay leaves. Next, I'm going to add the star anise, the mace, the cloves, and the cinnamon. Now, I'm not going to be adding the nutmeg powder when we are roasting all the spices. We're going to add it at the end when we're going to grind all these spices. So don't add the nutmeg powder. Now, I'm going to add the dried red chilies. I've just taken off the tips. Now, dry roast all of this for another 5 minutes till you start getting the lovely aroma of all the spices. Keep an eye on it. See that your flame is nice and low. And keep stirring it continuously. Now, after 5 minutes, turn off the heat. And now we're going to transfer this to a glass bowl or a glass plate or a steel plate, because we want these spices to cool down completely before we dry grind them. Now I'm just making a small quantity, about 100 grams, but you can make a larger quantity. You can just double up the ingredients accordingly. This will give you exactly 100 grams of the curry powder. So once it's completely cooled, I'm going to transfer it to a dry mixer jar. Ensure that your mixer jar is nice and dry. Wipe it clean. You can even sun dry it. And then add all the ingredients. And now we're going to add the grated nutmeg or zaifar at this stage. And now we're going to dry grind this to a very, very fine powder, like this. And that's it. Your Goan Samarachi curry masala is all ready. And you can use it for various recipes. I will be showing you all a recipe in which I'm going to be using this curry powder very soon. So stay tuned to Akshata's recipes. And thank you so much for watching. And I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Akshata signing off. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.